Travessa dos Estaleiros, Savington has shown, Shipyards Lane, another light corner of Macau. Walking down Travessa dos Estaleiros, that beautiful yellow building in this beautiful city. Oh, walking down Travessa dos Estaleiros, streets of Macau. Travessa dos Estaleiros, streets of Macau. Travessa dos Estaleiros.
Okay, so we're back in Macau. We're going to show you another slice of Macau. This area, some beautiful apartments in this area. This is, you can also see Grand Lisboa Casino way in the distance between those buildings. And this street right here, you can also have a waterfront, so you can see some ships over there. So that's a little bit of a place you can bring yachts and ships and boats and stuff like that. So we're going to be walking down our target street right here, and we'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are in Macau. So stay tuned. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Oh, somebody left their card. It should probably be brought to the police station. Sometimes I see that though. Somebody will leave keys or some card or something like that. And sometimes people will just leave it like where they found it, somewhere up and not off the ground. Okay, so that's the waterfront. And we're just gonna go down this particular street. You can see La Magnificence, that's our street sign. All of these apartments here would have that view. There's also a walkway right there too. And they have a view of that, those ships and such in that area. Okay. Let's go on down the street. So this particular street, we're not too far. This is, I believe this would be on reclaimed land where we are right now. And we're in this kind of, a lot of these streets down here will have this Lam Mao reference. So like this will have a Lam Mao. Not our target street, but I don't think I filmed this particular street because there's I was just looking at this earlier. There's another street over there that I haven't filmed. I'm trying to film every street in Macau, and so I've been kind of trying to see what I haven't filmed. And this Lam Mao is one area that I generally don't get up to very often at all. These are these little shrines. They're often found on beginning of streets and then businesses and such like that. So okay, so that marginal goes right over to those playground area. Let's see if we can get around like this. Let's go this way. Okay, let's go down. And I always see these, it's kind of interesting because this one has kind of this gold such, and then I always see these right here too. And I don't know what the value is of these exactly. But this probably would have been something where the waterfront is reclaimed and stretched. So I believe historically those are older buildings over there, and this might be like kind of the periphery part. I'm just not sure. But I think there's definitely some history in here. And especially those yellow buildings, I always kind of go by those as well. We're in this Patani area. Kind of see this, there's kind of a direct lineage all the way down this way, so we're going to move around like this. And then this one is the one that's kind of interesting to me, this yellow building. We'll try to get, I think it's some kind of I don't know, I think we'll come all the way up to the beginning of the building, and then we'll see if we can capture exactly what it is. So right here it says it's prohibited to occupy this space. Huh. That's interesting. So they even have this one up there too. Okay, the camera turned off. But yeah, anyways, I'm not sure what was recorded or not recorded. I looked at it a little bit, but anyways, it's kind of interesting, this little building right in the middle. And this yellow one says that it's not to be occupied. So I guess it has some abandoned, but I don't know exactly the history of it. But we're gonna come up to this street. Let's kind of see. Let's see. We even have some balconies up there. You can kind of see the context of where we're at. And I want to try to figure out what this yellow one is. So let me just, comes ambulance. So there's our sign. And let's see, it's some kind of commercial agency. Madeira, so that's the name of it. I guess it's probably some kind of commercial factory, but it all looks abandoned. Let's just kind of take a look over here real quick. So, okay. This says that it's like can be occupied, as far as I know. Okay. So we'll just end this video right there, and yeah, this building right here is on Estaleiros, and we're gonna end our street. So let me just go back to the beginning of the street, and then we'll come to the conclusion for it. Estaleiros. Okay. So that's our target street right there. So you get another idea of what another street in Macau looks like. Check out those balconies up there. Somebody has that balcony in that space. Okay. Slice of Macau for you. It's also interesting too, like if you look up a little bit, you can see like different types of buildings on the other sides as well. So we're gonna end our video.